Here at the AI Guide, where we focus on the human impact of AI, I have consistently focused on two themes. Number one, technologists invent stuff because it's cool or a challenge and/or they want to make a ton of money. Because of that, they don't care what happens to everyday people because of their inventions. Number two, because of the way that things work here in the US, where corporations count maybe more than people, there is no stopping the coming AI revolution. And it's not just the US where the statement I just made is true. Today we have an early example of the outcome of these two realities, meaning AI iteration is going to proceed without interruption and corporations will replace employees at will. And here are a few quotes from the CEO of Build, Matthias Döpfner. This publisher will become a purely digital media company. AI tools such as chatgpt could make independent journalism better than it ever was, or replace it. So just in those two sentences, there's a lot to unpack. And here is where the rubber hits the road, as they say. BuzzFeed, the Daily Mirror, the Daily Express, Men's Journal, and even CNET have all started to use AI, and that's how it goes. What starts with one company quickly replacing people with AI then accelerates throughout an entire industry. Now, full replacement will, of course, take some time. Why? Says The Guardian, AI tools like ChatGPT can generate highly sophisticated text from simple user prompts, producing anything from essays and job applications to poems and works of fiction. But its responses are sometimes inaccurate or even fabricated. So most of the newspapers mentioned a minute ago still have to have people to review and edit what the AI is now writing. But my viewers, who are well informed on AI, know that iterations of large language models like ChatGPT improve very rapidly. Jobs are already being lost to ChatGPT, but they aren't even using GPT-4 yet, which is far better and available already, much less GPT-5 and other future versions of these LLMs. As a Build spokesperson went on to say, "We believe in the opportunities of AI. We want to use them at Axel Springer, which is the parent company of Build magazine, to make journalism better and maintain independent journalism in the long term. We are approaching the topic with an open mind and currently have many initiatives with which we are exploring areas of application of AI for our journalistic brands, both in the production processes of the editorial offices and in relation to the reader experience." In plain English, this means job cuts at the several other newspapers owned by this company. Now, I always give you both sides of the story. Build and many other newspapers are not doing well financially because they have been disrupted by the digital revolution. It wasn't that long ago that the only way to get news was on TV or in print. Now there are millions of news outlets, literally, and thousands of platforms. So the news business has gotten much more competitive than it used to be. And the reality is that not all of these companies are going to make it. I have given my viewers the information I'm about to give you before, and there are a lot of different numbers out there, but somewhere between 65 and 90% of businesses fail within the first 10 years. That is a huge percentage. And businesses need to find ways to stay in business. But are employees always dead last in the pecking order? I don't really have the answer to that question, but it does seem like employees are the first to feel the pain when a company struggles. That said, everyone gets it that most companies are going to fail, and that having some employees is better than having no employees, which means that there are going to be layoffs from time to time. That's how capitalism works. That's just reality. But no matter how you slice it, a massive wave of job losses is starting now. And the best thing you can do to protect yourself is by being flexible and being willing to keep learning. So click the resource link below to prepare you for an AI-dominated career. The resource is free and everything in it is free, and it'll help you prepare for the oncoming AI tsunami. Also, please subscribe or like and share these videos. We need your help to spread the word on this channel. Also, please support us on Patreon. Even $1 a month makes a difference as we continue to build out this channel. And thanks so much for tuning in to the AI Guide, where we are focusing on the human impact of AI by making AI human, like we just did. See you next episode. Have a great week. Bye.